Well, hi everyone. I'm Vicki and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to make a little meatloaf tonight and a few little meatballs too to go to the guinea pigs tomorrow. So let's get cooking, and we are going to mix it in our stand mixer. By using the stand mixer and the setting for mix on here, it keeps your hamburger from getting tough. So the first thing we're going to do is just throw everything in the bowl. I have 2 pounds of hamburger. I have 1 pound of sausage. Yeah, I know, hamburger and sausage together. Believe me, they make an interesting combination, and the taste is really nice. I have about a half a cup of peppers, chopped peppers. I have about a half cup of green onions, and I had some grilled mushrooms left over and just went ahead and put those in there. I have a cup of Rotel that I have drained and pressed as much of the water out as I could get out. And this is the original with the chilies, with the tomatoes and the chilies. I have a little bit of black olives, probably about a quarter cup of black olives, and 2 eggs. Whoops, y'all know I'm a messy cook. I have 2 cloves of garlic, well, my little tool's missing. And you know everything you see me using is Pampered Chef, and you can always find a link on my YouTube or Facebook post. We have a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, we have a little sprinkle of Black Truffle. I think we're going to put about a half a teaspoon. Teaspoon of paprika. Salt and pepper. I like fresh ground, and I like Himalayas and sea salt. Okay, and then we're going to put some breadcrumbs. And y'all know, I don't do bread. I do keto low carb. So, usually use about a cup of breadcrumbs. And I have pork rinds that I've crushed. That does give it a nice bacony flavor in there, too. Okay. We are going to turn this on. Mix. And it shows the beater that you should use, which is the one I have on. And It's set for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And I'm just going to let it mix. And we'll be right back. Okay, it's gone through its cycle and it looks like everything's incorporated. Now this is the first time I've ever made meatloaf using my stand mixer. But this thing has so many settings and so many things to explore. I'm going to be making quite a bit of stuff with it. Trying all the different settings and, you know. Here's our hamburger mixed up. Now, I'm gonna do half of it in a meatloaf. And then I'm going to make some meatballs. Just so I don't have to put my hands in the hamburger, I'm using our extra large scoop. And I'm making these kind of large because it's going to be one for each one of the girls. Dressing them up just a little bit. Okay, so I've got 9 meatballs. And there's a little bit of hamburger left, so let's just put it in the meatloaf. Now for this, I am going to use my hands. All right, it's ready to go in. And I'll show it to you when I get it ready. All right, so our meatballs are finished and our meatloaf is finished. And I'm just going to let them cool, put them up till tomorrow. The guinea pigs will enjoy the meatballs. And I'll enjoy the meatloaf later this week. I don't know. May take some meatloaf to Mom, Pat, and Libby. So I'm enjoying my new stand mixer and exploring all the different things that it'll do. So you're going to see quite a few more videos using it. So have a wonderful day. Give someone your beautiful smile. Makes you feel good inside. And you know, you just could make somebody's day. Come back and see me often. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me comments. I love hearing from you and knowing where you're from and what you're enjoying watching, or if there's something you don't like in watching. So let me hear from you. We'll talk to you later, and bye.